Hey friends, Miss Shelley here. Welcome to Spring Bluff Forest Preserves. So friends, Spring Bluff is mostly wetlands, but there's also a little bit of savanna. We see a lot of animals flying around up here. Ducks come here, mallards. What do ducks say? Do you remember? Quack, quack, quack. There's a lot of Canadian geese that fly right by here because we're very close to Lake Michigan. What do geese say? They go honk, 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 right? You can find 114 different kinds of birds here, even endangered ones like pipers. You know what sound pipers make? They make kind of a whistling sound. Whistling's really hard to do. Let's try to see what happens. That's what a piper sounds like. There's a lot of wind today, and the wind is taking down even more of the leaves off of all of these trees. Look at that. What if the wind was a sneeze? Wouldn't that be so silly? Falling, falling, falling leaves. Mother Nature, did you sneeze? Choo! That's silly. Red and orange and yellow and brown, big and little on the ground. Falling, falling, falling leaves. Mother Nature, did you sneeze? One last time. Choo! But that's not really why leaves come down, is it? Friends, thanks so much for coming to Spring Bluff Forest Preserves with me. I hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you again next time.